I'm back again. This is a follow-up to the video that I did earlier this morning. I showed you the before and now I'm going to show you the after. So just to remind you, this is a chart behind you of the DAX, German 30, and an opportunity to just make some money. I've been out all day since I did the video before, but what we're going to do is now come back in and see what happened. So this is a training video just so that you can see the before, and this is the after. So just to remind you, when I talked to you a little bit earlier, it was about 11 o'clock-ish I think, and we talked about some resistance here, and this was on the 15-minute chart. Okay, so the 15-minute chart, and we had a green candle there, red candle, all these are 15-minute candles. There's a nice green one there where it was looking to try and break through this resistance, and you can see that it just eventually got pushed down. So remember in the video I said that the DAX is in a downward trend, and there was a rally this morning which was here coming up to this point, and since then we've seen it drift back down again. So the time to buy in, we're talking about when the opportunity was to take some money, was just here, so just at the 9,500 mark. Okay, and you can see what happened next. The price dropped and came down all the way. I mean, the lowest point was around about 9,380, and it has come back up a little bit, but had you traded that, then coming in from this point here, even if you got in about 9,485, which I did, then it's dropped. It dropped there by over 100 points before it started to rally. That was a lovely green bar there, a lovely red bar, red candle there, and that was when the American market opened. So we always see some, usually some volatility as soon as the US market opens. What I mean is that they'll either suddenly jump up or go back down again, and you can see the effect that it had on the German market. So if we did actually bring up Wall Street now, we would see a similar pattern at 2:30 when that market opened up, 2:30 UK time. So what else is there to say? Well, yeah, I mean, it's just, this is a training video. I want to do as many as possible for people so that you can see how easy it is. This is just at foundation level. This is just for people who want a little bit of an introduction into trading, and people who have actually traded before, because there are indicators that I use that are very different. I'm always looking for patterns, trends, but very much about high probability. I like high probability trading. I like to know that something's going to happen, and the probability of it happening is high, and we're talking 70 or 80%. One thing I forgot to mention is my stop. My stop, you see that candle there? That's where the stop would have been. You can see this red diagonal line just is where more resistance happened. So you can see a little test there, a test there, a test there, same there. You can see how it's just kept in line with that, and my stop was up here. So the importance of saying that is that the risk versus reward is important. You want a nice big reward for the little bit of a risk that you're going to be taking. So had the market started to rally further and push through resistance, push right through it, then I would have just closed the trade out for a very, very small loss. But the probability was greater that it was going to get pushed down, because we are in a downtrend, as I've said, at the moment, and that's what's happened. So so from here to here, that was 100 point or pip plus movement. So just to show you how easy it is to make money trading, and anybody can do it. Anybody can do it. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and just keep watching. There'll be plenty more. Okay, bye for now.